Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today I want to talk about how much money you need for a down payment. And the numbers might be shocking to you, so don't go away. Be right back. Okay, so now I piqued your interest. You're like, I could buy a house with 3% down. Yep, and it's not impossible. So let's go over the guidelines in regards to this program that we're offering to you to see if you qualify. If this will get you out of mom and dad's basement or out of that apartment that you're just paying out every month and you're like, this is crazy. I'm paying $1,000, $2,000, $2,500 a month and I got nothing to show for it. So let's see if we can get you into a house. So let's get on to it. Here's how you qualify, or here's the qualifications to get you to qualify. The first thing I want to go over with you is what credit score is needed. So I'm going to pull up two sets of guidelines for you. This one is just a brief little explanation of things, and then the other one that we're going to go to here in a second is going to drill down a little more in detail. So the first thing here is, what is the minimum credit score that's needed to qualify? 620. So you're going to see over here number of units, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to focus today on the 1 unit because that is the program that we're offering 3% down. You can see that by this, the LTV. What the LTV means is the loan to value. The loan amount divided by the value of the home is 97%. So that means you only need 3% down. Okay, let's ignore these for right now. I don't want to confuse this whole process. I just want to give you the basics behind all of this. And then if it's something that intrigues you, you're like, Dan, I really want to reach out to you guys. I need your help. That's what I'm trying to do. And then when you call us, we can drill down everything to a T, answer all your questions, make you feel warm and cuddly, and then you can move on to look. Hopefully we can get you pre-approved, and then you can link up with one of our realtors and get out there and find a home. So let's drill down a little more in detail, okay? So right here, we're gonna go through the program. Now, you remember, we need a 620 minimum credit score. That's the biggest one of the biggest parts of this. Now, what kind of property can we buy with the 3% down? Well, again, it's going to be a 1-unit building, so a single family home, but that property can be a single family home, a condo, a co-op, a PUD, and a manufactured home. It has to be your primary residency though, okay? So it has to be your primary residency. The next thing is, after the credit score stuff, and we check mark this now, we want to buy this house and move into it, have it as our primary residency. It's a single family home. I got a 620 credit score, so we got check. Now we go to borrower's income. This is where it normally makes or breaks you. I'll be honest with you. So there's 3 different variations on how you can qualify based on your income, because the program was initially set up for mid to low income families. Okay, that's the whole gist of this, is to get people into homes with less of a down payment than you normally need. All right, so you can get into a property if the property is located in a low-income census tract, then you don't have to worry about your income. You can make $1 million a year and still qualify for this program. However, if it is not in that low-income census tract, you either have to be at 100% of the area median income or 80% of it in the census tracts. So let me make it much simpler for you. I'm going to put down in the description a link to this. Okay, it's going to take you, this link's going to take you to this. It's going to be a map of the United States. Then in here, you can plug in your address or the address of the property that you're looking to buy in. Okay, so then I put in Chicago for right now. So then it brings up Chicago. Then you can drill down even more. If you don't have the address, you can say, okay, I'm looking to buy in this area here. So what is the area median income? Well, to qualify for this program in this area, you need to make $71,280 or less. Okay, or less. So it'll tell you right here, the home ready income limit. It'll tell you what in this area, what the limit is to buy a home there. So let's just scan out just to make this simpler. Here's an area right out here that's 60,320. Okay, so when you get into more populated areas, that income does go up. When you get into further out areas, the income does go down. So probably most of the time, 80% of the people looking to move into this program, you fit that criteria. Okay, so that is, I'll put a link down below that'll take you to that map that you can plug in the address or the zip code, and it'll take you there and tell you what income is needed or would allow you to qualify in that area. The next thing is, how much money do you need to put down? You're like, Dan, I really have no money in the bank right now. Is there another way I can do this? Well, there's grants. You can get a gift, mom, dad, aunt, uncle. There's community seconds. There's a whole slew of programs here that might be able to help you. And we do offer some of them. But many times what we ask is, ask mom, dad, aunts, uncles, cousins, somebody, if they will help contribute that 3% for you. Think of it. If you're looking to buy a $100,000 home, that's $3,000. Mom and dad might be more than happy to give you three grand to get out of the house. So just joking. So that's that part of it. The next part of it, what terms are available? Well, normally in this program, we do a 30-year fixed rate. So what are those rates? Are they crazy high? Well, let's check it out. I just put in this program, a $250,000 first-time home buyer, 93% down program, so that puts it at that. Purchasing a home, 740 credit score, 10% is their debt ratio. This is property I'm putting in is in California. I go down through. Let me see what programs are available for you, because this scans our entire products list and gives me, what programs you would be available for or would be available to you. So we're looking over the program right now, the Home Ready program that we offer. We also offer a Home Possible and a whole slew of other programs, but today we're going over the Home Ready 3% down program. So what is that rate? Well, if we click that, it's going to open up my rates. For those that watch my channel every day, you know how to read my rate sheets, but for those that don't, here's what my rate sheets look like. So right here goes over the rates that are available to you. Right here would be the principal and interest payment of that loan. Here is a percentage of what it would cost you to get this rate, or how much of a rebate you would get back. And this actually breaks that percentage down in dollars. So let me explain it a little easier for you. Let's break down and say, well, you can get a rate on a 30-year fixed rate under our Home Ready program at 2.75%. See that number right there? You go across, it would actually give you would get back a rebate check for $390 to apply toward any other closing costs you might have. That's pretty cool. So let's go do the other way. So you're like, Dan, I'd really like a 2.5% rate. Well, you can get that. Here's the 2.5 rate. However, it would cost you $1,858 to buy down the rate. So you would, at 2.5%, you'd have to pay $1,858 to get that rate. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, you're like, Dan, I know I need a little more money than the 3% down, because there is going to be like an attorney fee and some other costs, and I don't have that much money. Can you help me on that in those areas as well? You betcha. So let's say in that case, I might say, you know what? I can get you 2.99, and I would give you a $3,350 credit back to apply toward those costs. So that's how we can get you into really, truly with only 3% down. Pretty awesome. And I hope you like what you see. So now you're like, Dan, what's the next step? I love this stuff. Beginning of the year, I'm going to shop around, get a new house. I just need direction. What do I do next? Well, that's a great question. I'm going to show you how to go to our website, how to email me, or call us. We can even help you find a realtor. We got realtors all over the country that's just willing to help you. So the best way to do this is to go to our website, therateupdate.com. It's going to take you right here. Okay? You can click the Apply Now button. That's the quickest and fastest way to do this. And just pick me as the loan officer, or if you're working with another loan officer, just pick their name. You can get a free quote right here. What we'll do is we'll get an alert myself or one of my mortgage advisors will give you a call probably within the hour. Not a hard sale. We're here to help. We truly are here to help. If you want to call us, 800 number, 844-775-LOAN. Okay, 844-775-LOAN. Or you might say, Dan, I'm already pre-approved with somebody and they're asking that I put down 10% or whatever. Send me your pre-approvals. Just shoot me an email with your situation. Shoot me an email with anything. I respond probably within an hour or two on every email that I get. My name is Dan Frio. So my email is D for Dan, Frio, Frio, at preferredrate.com. And again, the website is therateupdate.com. So, hope you find this informative. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Click the subscribe now button down below. So every time I do post, I got over 700 videos online. So every time I post a video, you can see, at least get an alert saying, that might be something I'm interested in, or nah, it's not. And just pass and don't watch it. That's fine too. So that's all for today. Love to be able to help you if I can. So remember to give us a call, 844-775-LOAN. Shoot me an email at dfrio@preferredrate.com. Other than that, have a great weekend. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.